Children's rights. There is a list of rights for all children and young people up to the age of 18, and this is called the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, or the UNCRC. The UNCRC contains 42 rights for children and young people. The others are all about how governments and adults should work together to make sure children and young people can access their rights. Children's rights are all the things that children and young people need to make sure that they are safe, have the things they need to survive and develop, and have a say in decisions that affect their lives. We've recently produced a symbols pack about the UNCRC, which helps to teach children and young people with additional learning needs about their rights.